This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to do a half double crochet stitch for your amigurumi project. To complete a half double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook under the top loops of the next stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch to draw up a loop. There should now be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. That completes the half double crochet stitch. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!